We're climbing the slopes of a hill covered in tropical rainforest. I wonder what interesting things we can find here today. Look here, a pair of orange-footed scrubfowls working on their nest. They create huge mounds of decomposing organic matter to incubate their eggs in, much like the Australian brush turkeys do. But where the male turkey works alone, these birds work in pairs. Tropical rainforests have a great diversity in vegetation, some of which carry an abundance of beautiful fruits. A black butcherbird. This species of butcherbird can be seen in tropical forests. There are 5 types of butcherbirds in Australia, of which the pied butcherbird and the grey butcherbird are the most widespread. We keep climbing higher and notice how the vegetation keeps changing. We also begin to get glimpses of the view we might get rewarded with at the top. An olive-backed sunbird. It's a pretty bird with bright yellow underparts. We don't get to see much of it, as he's not inclined to turn around for us. A varied triller. The barred underparts tell us this is a female. Oh, that is a great view. If you are familiar with this area, you will recognize it as the coastline of Cairns in North Queensland. And you will know that I'm in the Mount Whitfield Conservation Park. Check out the fruit on this mango tree. And did you notice the green tree ants there? Oh, this little cutie here is a striped snake-eyed skink. It can only be seen in tropical North Queensland. This bird is a white-bellied Cuckoo-shrike. It looks like it's hot with its beak open like that. And it is hot, 34 degrees today. One last lookout before we walk down the hill again on the other side. It's hot, but at least the trees of the forest are providing us with very welcome shade. Another black butcherbird. It looks like it's trying to make a meal out of a crab. We've just come out of the rainforest and there's a creek here lined by some mangroves, in case you were wondering where that crab came from. Oh wow, that is an exciting find. This dragonfly is not often seen. It's called a Sultan. It's amazing, those colored wings. Check out my blog this week to learn more about it and 2 other dragonfly beauties. Put a link in the description. And with that, we come to the end of our walk today. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more and let me know in the comments what you enjoyed the most today. I'd love to hear from you and hope to see you again on the next walk.